Hello everyone, it's Tufik from Tech Security USA, located in Lynnwood, Washington. Welcome back to another video where today we'll be discussing about Tech Security USA cameras. We offer a variety of security cameras by Uniview Technologies, and we make installation very easy, simple, and very good tech support. So what are you waiting for? Stop by our location between Highway 99 and 200th Street Southwest right here, right now.
Become a partner with us today at Tech Security USA and get your special benefits. If you are a security camera and low voltage installer, or if you have a plan to open a security camera installation business and you are looking for reliable commercial grade security cameras which are UL listed and NDAA compliant, we have a great program for you. This program includes special installer price with high margin profit, reliable equipment with a 3-year manufacturer warranty, 24/7 VIP customer service for all your needs, free demo and showroom to show to your customers, free lead referral to grow your business, free expert training with certification, and cashback rebates on your purchases, and much more. So what are you waiting for? Don't miss out. Visit www.techsecurityusa.com today and reserve your spot. Tech Security USA, your trusted business partner in success.